In this video, I will tell you the introduction part of chapter 4, that is quadratic equation. Let's see what is quadratic equation. If any equation have 2 degree, that means the highest power of the equation must be square, then the equation is a quadratic equation. See the example: 2x square 8x plus 12. The equation will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, the quadratic equation always be in this formula, in this equation. Okay, if we will solve this equation, then we will get what? Two values. Okay, let's see some methods to solve the quadratic equation. There are first method is given, that is factorization or factorize. The second one is completing the square. The fourth one is quadratic formula, using quadratic formula. And the fourth one is graphing method, that we don't have to read. Let's see the first method, that is factorize method. I have written some important points to solve from the factorize method. The first point is multiply first number and the last number. Then the answer should be factorized. That means the multiple of first number and last number should be factorized on the rough. Okay. Split the midterm of the given question. Multiply should be equal to first number and the last number. Next point is addition or subtraction should be equal to the midterm. Take common and write the last number on the bracket. Then make two brackets, solve that, and you'll get the two answers. Okay, let's see the question. First of all, what the thing we have to do? We have to multiply first number and the last number. That is, first number is 1 and the last number is 8, and I have multiplied, then I have got what? 8. If you'll factorize, then you'll get what? 2 into 2 into 2. If you will convert this, then it will convert into 4 into 2. That means if you will multiply 4 into 2, then you will get what? Minus 8. If you will add or subtract this minus 4 and 2, then you will get what? Minus 2. That is the mid term. Okay, so I have split it into minus 4x and plus 2x. That I have taken the common from here, x, and here 2. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you, that this bracket should be equal to this bracket. Okay, so here is x plus 2 and x minus 2. Two bracket I have. If we will solve, then you will get what? X is equal to minus 2, and here is x is equal to 4. Let's see the second method, that is some important step to solve by the completing the square. Okay, first of all, make sure that the coefficient of x square must be 1. Okay, for that you have to multiply or divide etc. Okay, then the divide by 2 or multiply by 1 by 2 to the coefficient of the x. It should be multiply or divided by 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 or anything. Okay. Then add and subtract the square of the answer. Okay, after that, on the last, multiply and divide by 2 in the x term. Okay, let's understand from the question. The question is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. What the thing I have to do? First of all, we have to divide by 2. Why? Because here is 2x square na, and we have to convert this into 1. That means the coefficient of x square should be 1 only. Okay, if you'll divide, then you'll get what? X square minus 5x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now what the thing we have to do? We have to multiply 1 by 2 to the coefficient of x, and we have to add and subtract the square of the answer. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to multiply and divide with 2 in x term. Now according to the steps, what the thing we have to do, we have to multiply 1 by 2 to the 5 by 2, then we will get what, 5 by 4. Okay, if you will find out the square of 5 by 4, then you will get what, 5 by 4 to the power 2, that is whole square you can write. Okay, what the step is saying that add the square of 5 by 4 and subtract the square of 5 by 4. Okay, one more step is there, that is multiply by 2 to the x term. Okay, multiply and divide we have to do. Multiplication is done and the division is also done in x term. Okay, now if you will see, then you will get that it is x square minus 2 into 5 by 4 x plus 5 by 4 square minus 5 by 4 square plus 3 by 2. If you will see carefully, then you will get that this equation in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, so we can write in the place of x square minus 2 into 5 by 4 into x plus 5 by 4 whole square, that is x minus 5 by 4 whole square. Okay, it is from the formula. Okay, what the number we left, we have minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2, so it is already written. Okay, now what the thing we have to do, we have to solve this. Okay, after solving, that means if you will find out the square of 5, then you will get 25. You will find out the square of 4, then you will get what, 16. Now here is fraction number, that is 25 by 16 and 3 by 2, and we have to add, then we have to find out the what, LCM. After finding the LCM and after solving, then you will get what, if you will subtract minus 25 and 24, then you will get what, 1, and it is send it into the next side, that is the right side. It is LHS side and it is the RHS side, so it is changed into minus into plus. Okay, so it is 1 by 16 we have. If you will find out the root of 1 by 16, then you will get what, 1 by 4. I have written here plus and minus, that means if we have any root value, then we are writing into sign, that is plus and minus. Okay, so we have take the positive sign first of all, so x is equal to plus 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So if you will solve, then you will get what, by 4 equal to, if you will cut, then you will get what, 3 by 2. Okay, negative sign, if I have taken the negative sign, that is 5 by 4, and here we have to take minus, that is minus 1 by 4. If we will solve, then you will get what, 4 by 4, that is 1 we will get. So x, the value of x we have got, that is plus 3 by 2 and plus 1. Okay, the next method is using the quadratic formula. What is the formula? The formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, let's understand the formula with the help of one example. The example is 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. The value of a is 2, the value of b is 1, and the value of c is what? The constant term is minus 528. So let's put the value of a, b, c in the formula. What is the formula? The formula is minus 1 plus minus and under root 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 528 divided by 2 into 2, it becomes 4. Okay, solve, here is minus and here is also minus, then minus minus it becomes plus. Okay, if you multiply 4 to the 8 and you will get, and here is 528 is already, and 8 into 528 if you will do, then you will get what, 4224. If you will add, then you will get what, 4225. If you will find out the root of 4225, then you will get what, 65. As I have told you that we are writing the two values of any root, that is plus and minus. Okay, Now taking the positive value of the 65, if you will take the positive, that means the plus value of 65, then you will solve, then you will get what? 16. If you take the negative sign of 65, then you will get what? 66 minus 66 by 4, that if you will solve, then you will get what? Minus 33 by 2. We have got two value of x, that is 16 and minus 33 by 2. Okay, and the fourth method is graphing method, and don't read this in class 10. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Please keep connected.